everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I wanted to take a minute to show you my new class to go. It's my Valentine's 2018 class, and it is so fun and bright and beautiful. It features the new Sure Do Love You bundle from Stampin' Up! In the brand new 2018 Occasions catalog. This is the stamp set and the framelits. It has this really cool, unique framelit here that is designed to make a box. Now in the class, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to use that box. Can you guess which projects, which 4 here actually use that die? 4 different ways to use one die, to me, is really just a great way to get the most for your money. Now, the class also features this beautiful paper, and the kit, when it comes to you, this is a class to go, so it comes to you in the mail. When it comes, each class will be cut and scored and ready for you to go in separate little envelopes. So you'll just pull it out, pull up your PDF, pull out your framelits, ink, and stamps, and get to work. This class comes in 4 options. The first option is the full kit. This is for those of you that don't already have the stamp set and the framelits. For $67, you're going to get the bundle. You're going to get all 6 make and takes, as well as a bolt of organza ribbon, and you get to choose something from the Celebration catalog for free. That is $67, and it ships for $7. The second option is for those of you that already have the bundle. Maybe you already have it at home, but you really want to get the kit. That kit is $32, and it does include also the bolt of ribbon and all 6 of the make and takes, as well as the PDF. Now, the third option is for those of you that have everything. You don't need me to cut anything for you. You don't need anything in the mail, but you just want the tutorials. The tutorial-only version is $15, and it's actually a separate link, and when you click on it, you can purchase it, and they'll immediately email it to you. It's an immediate download. If for some reason it doesn't show up in your your email box within about 10 minutes, please send me an email and I will make sure to have it resent to you. A lot of times they get bounced into spam, so check there too. The fourth option is for my team. My downline, the Sweet Stampede, have access to all of my classes to go at really low prices. That's one of the perks of joining my team. This class is only $12 for them. If you're interested in joining my team and getting my class kits at a discount, make sure you visit my blog, pinkbuckaroo.com, and click the Join tab at the top to get all the details. Now, the deadline for this class is January 13th. I want to make sure that I get everything in time to cut, score, ship, get it out to you so you have plenty of time to make your Valentine treats. I am planning on having them shipped to you no later than January 20th. And yes, they all do ship together. I cut one time after the deadline closes. I sort, I pack, and I ship them all out at the same time. All right, if you're interested in this class, the Sure Do Love You class, you'll have to email me for the link. My email is erica@pinkbuckaroo.com. Send me an email and I will send you the registration link. All right, you guys, thanks so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful January. Bye.